pose. Ihip.
In all things, success depends upon the previous preparation, and without such preparation, there is sure to be failure. Well, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Standing in front of you is only 16 years of age and present freshman studying at Rizal Technological University, taking a course of Business Administration, major in Marketing. My name is Maria Shana Kim de la Cruz de la Gretchen Pascual, but for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, please do allow me to personate the girl who captured the heart of Mr. and Chong B. Nagmula pa po ako sa bakuran ng kapamilya ABS-CBN at araw-araw na napapanood bilang pina sa tanging yaman. Sabay-sabay po nating hiyawan, sigawan, palakpakan at pagkaguluhan ang inyong nag-iisang 14 girl, Miss Erich Gonzalez. Bago ko po nisahin ang 4 na sulok ng entabladong ito, nais ko pong mag-iwan sa inyo ng isang katagang, hindi man nga po ako manalos din palakan ito, ang mga palakpakan nyo at hiyawan nyo ay isa na pong malaking tropeyo. Tropeyo na may uuwi ko pa po sa aking mumunting kubo. Maraming salamat and happy fiesta.
Rampa girl, rampa, rampa.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 3.